So, good evening po. I-discuss ko po yung 1 to 5 problems kung paano ko po siya sinolve. So, tara simulan po natin. 1 po tayo. An elevator waiting 20 km starts from the rest and acquires an upward velocity of 5 ms in a distance of 9 m. If the acceleration is constant, what is the tension in the cable? So, given W 20 kN, S is equals to 9 m, Vf is equals to 9 meter per second. So, ito po yung drawing. Hinahanap po is tension. May ano na rin po na 20 kN, tapos WA over G. So, ito po yung solution. Vf squared is equals to Vo squared plus 2AS. So, 5 squared is equals to 0 squared plus 2A9. So, 5 squared magiging 25 is equals to 0 plus 2 times 9 is 18A. So, ang ginawa ko po is 25 over 18. Bali, 18 both sides. Para po makancel yung 18. Para maging, yung natitira na lang po is acceleration. Bali, magiging 1.39 meter per second. After naman po, is tension is equals to W plus WA over G. Bali, magiging 20 plus 20, 1.39 all over 9.81. So, ang kinalabasan po na tension is 22.83 kN. Number 2. In the figure shown, find theta to cause the projectile to hit point B in exactly 8 seconds on what is a distance of x. So, ito po yung drawing ulit. Hinahanap po dyan is x. Y is 40m. So, may theta po. At V is equals to 40 meter per second. So, ito po yung given. V is equals to 40 ms. T is equals to 8 seconds. Y is equals to negative 40 m. Kasi po, nasa y-axis po yung 40 meters. Kaya magiging negative po siya. So, solution po natin is y is equals to V sin theta times T minus 1 half gt squared. So, yun nga po, sinabi ko, byte po naging negative 40m kasi po nasa y-axis po siya. So, negative 40 is equals to 40 sin theta times 8 minus 1 half 9.81 8 squared. So, magiging negative 40 is equals to 40 sin theta. So, 40 times 8 magiging 320 sin theta is minus 1 half 9.81 8 squared magiging 313.92. So, yung 320 sin theta inilipat ko po sa kabila, bali magiging negative 320 sin theta. So, ang 40 naman din po inilipat ko po sa right side, bali magiging 320 sin theta is equals to 313.92 minus 40. So, 330.92 minus 40 magiging 273.92. So, yung 320, inilagay ko po ulit sa right side. Bali, ang sign naman po natin is magiging inverse. Bali, sin negative 1, 273.92 over 320. So, ang degree po, ang theta po natin is 58.87 degrees. So, ang next rin po is hinahanap naman po yung x-axis. Ito po. Bali, magiging x is equals to v cos theta times t is equals to 40 cos 58.87 times 8. 40 cos 58.87 degrees. Bali, magiging 20.68 times 8 magiging x is equals to 165.44. Number 3. The car shown is just to clear the water filled gap. Find the takeoff velocity. So, given po natin is theta is equals to 40 degrees, x is equals to 6.6 meters. So, y is equals to negative 8.0 m. So, ito po yung drawing. Ito yung 6.6 m ng x, 8.0 m ng y squared. Kaya po naging negative. At ito naman po yung 40 degrees. So, ang solution naman po, ang gagamitin na formula po is y is equals to x tan theta minus gx squared all over 2v squared cos squared theta. So, magiging negative 8.0 is equals to 6.6 tan 40 minus 9.81 times 6.6 squared all over 2v squared cos 40 squared. Yung 6.6 tan 40 ay inilipat ko po sa left side. Kaya po magiging negative 8.0 minus 6.6 tan 40. Ang 2 naman po is ginawa ko pong 1/2 para po ma-times po yung 9.81. 9.81 times 43.56 dahil 6.6 squared po ito. All over v squared cos 40 squared. So, negative 8.0 minus 6.6 tan 40 is equals to negative 13.54. So, negative 1/2 times 9.81 times 43.56 all over v squared cos 40 squared. Kaya po magiging negative 364.1 all over v squared. Dahil ito po, ang velocity po yung hinahanap natin, bali inilipat ko po yung v squared sa left side para ma-square root at ma-cancel po yung squared. So, v is equals to square root of 364.1 over 13.54. Magiging v is equals to square root of 26.89. Kaya ang final answer po natin is v is equals to 5.18 meter per second. Number 4. A boy running a foot race rounds a flat curve of 18 m radius. If he runs at the rate of 7.50 meter per second, at what angle with the vertical will he incline his body? So ito po yung drawing. Hinahanap po natin is yung theta po or yung degree po niya. So wv squared over gr squared. By ang given po natin is v is equals to 7.50 m r or yung radius, I think radius po ito. Radius is equals to 18 m. So, ang ginamit ko po is tan theta is equals to wv squared over gr over w. Bali, cancel po ang w. So, tan theta is equals to v squared over gr. So, maging 7.50 squared all over 9.81 times 18. So, 7.50 squared magiging 56.25. Yung 9.81 times 18 naman po, magiging 176.58. So, yung tan theta, magiging inverse. So, theta is equals to tan negative 1. Tan negative 1, open parenthesis na 56.25 over 176.58 and close parenthesis. So, ang degree naman po natin is theta is equals to 17.67 degrees. Last is number 5. What torque applied to the cylinder in the preceding problem will raise the weight with an acceleration of 7 meter per second squared? What will be the total bearing reaction? So, yung given po natin is acceleration is equals to 7 meter per second squared, and omega is equals to 1 1,100. So, ito po yung drawing ng problem. So, A is equals to 7 meter per second squared. May 300 may 300 tension, yung moment, yung alpha, radius ng 1m, I times alpha. So, ang solution naman is A is equals to R alpha. So, 7 is equals to 1 alpha. Bali yung alpha, inilagay ko po sa left side. Magiging alpha is equals to 1 times 7. So, magiging 7 rad over S squared. I is equals to 1 half omega over G R squared is equals to 1 half 1,100 over G. Yung radius naman po is 1 squared. So, ang final answer po dyan is I is equals to 550 over G. Next naman po is tension. Tension is equals to W or omega plus omega A times A over G. Bali magiging 300 plus 300 times 7 over 9.81. So, ang tension po natin is equals to 514.067 Newton. Next naman po is submission moment is equals to 0. M is equals to T times R or radius plus 1 alpha. So, equals to 514.07 kasi ang ginawa ko na lang po is 514.067. Yung 6 po magiging 7 na lang. Times balik po tayo ulit. So, 514.07 times 1 plus 550 over G. Ito po yung final answer ng I times 7. So, magiging 514.07 times 1, bali magiging 514.07. So, 550 over 9.81 times 7. Kaya magiging 392.46. So, 514.07 plus 392.46, yung moment po niya is 906.53 nm. Next naman po, yung final naman po na solution is R is equals to omega plus T. Yung tension po is equals to 1,100 plus 514.07. So, yung R po niya is equals to 1,614.07 Newton. So, ayun lamang po yung 1 to 5 problems po na ginawa ko po sa DRB. So, maraming salamat po.